Hello, hello everyone. We will wait for 5 minutes for everybody to join, and then we will start. Ask your friends to join, students. Prashant, is there any problem with the audio? Is it fine now? Okay. Session will take around 20 to 25 minutes, guys. Okay. I'll explain about the platform, AlgoTutor platform, how to use it. I'll give an overview about it. I'll walk you guys through all the features and everything. So yeah, around 20 minutes it will take. I'll start after 1 minute. You ask your friends or anybody who still have not joined. You ask them to join. I'll start in 1 minute. Okay, so yeah, welcome everyone. Yeah, good evening. So I'll give you an overview about our AlgoTutor platform, which you guys will be using in your upcoming time in LPU. So I'll walk you guys through the features and how you can solve questions, or how you can give assessments, and how you can prepare for your company interviews through our platform. So I'll start that. So yeah, so first of all guys, this particular screen, right, this is a assessment window. Is my voice fine now? Is it fine now, everybody? If you guys can respond in the chat. Can you hear me now? Okay, it's better than before, right? Okay, thank you. So this is the assessment window which you will see. You need to enter your email and password. Left side, if you see the assessment name, what is the start date, then the start window and the closing window, and what is the duration of the assessment. Okay, and what is the like time remaining. Okay, so let's open this and see. So whenever you log in into an assessment, right, yeah, so first of all it will show you the guidelines. So copy paste is not allowed. Okay, then you can't switch tabs in your browser. If you open a new tab, or if you try to open through shortcut keys or something, you will be in trouble. You can't press back button. Okay, and after 3 warnings your assessment will be automatically submitted. Okay, and before like closing the assessment, right, make sure you submit. Okay, you verify all the scenarios, you verify all the test cases, and you press the submit assessment button. So it records your whatever points you have earned, or how many test cases it passed. Okay, once you click OK on the guidelines, right, it will do a full screen. Okay, and it will start showing you the questions. Okay, so this is coding part. Okay, so left side problem description, you can see on the top there are 3 questions in this, 3 coding questions in the assessment. Okay, the input format, output format, and the usual whatever description is there, right, in any coding platforms where you have used used before. Right side is the area where you can solve your question. On top you can select the language. Then yeah, let me submit one. I'll submit this particular question, set matrix zeros. Okay, for now to demo, right, I'm using copy paste, but you guys don't have to use that. So right side on top you can see the run button. When you run, it will show you like, okay, for the particular test case which was there at the front, right, what your code actually, how your code actually performed. So expected output was this, and this was the result, and this is the status of the that particular test case. Now you can switch between the questions. Okay, from the top itself, third question, right, and so that's how it looks like. Okay, the coding area. Now the second part is, yeah, test will be on AlgoTutor. Yes. So next thing is MCQ. Okay, MCQ also in any assessment there can be multiple parts, right? Coding assessment, and the assessment can be individual as well, like only coding, and maybe coding and a mix of coding and MCQs as well. So you can read the guidelines of the MCQs. Okay, you need not to refresh, you have to manage your time, and whatever instruction or whatever the question is, you have to read that carefully. Okay, let's start this as well. So that's how it will look like. Okay, the question and then what is the answer. Okay, so on bottom you see there are multiple options. Okay, you feel like, okay, you have a doubt in some question and you feel that whatever answer we have given, right, that is not correct, so you can mark that as for review. Then in questions you can go between questions, you can press next or previous, like that. And if you want to submit any question, right, so click select a option, save next. You have to explicitly press this button, save next. Okay, so it will mark that question as answered. You see in the right side there are the status of your question will be in that particular color. Okay, so green color means you have answered that question. Currently you are on second question, so that's why it is blue. Third is you have seen that question, but it is not answered yet. So that's how the color representation. Now let's say if I submit, right, guys, one more thing you need to remember and you have to keep in mind is if you submit MCQs, right, after MCQ submission you cannot come back on MCQs again. Okay, let's say in your assessment there is coding questions as well and MCQs as well, and if you have submitted MCQ once, right, you cannot come back on MCQs if you submit it. Let's try to submit this. So it is submitting. Now we again came at the coding assessment. Now I'll show you one more thing, guys. If you try to, let's say, cheat, right, I'm opening a new tab. Okay, so it will catch that, okay, you have went out from the full screen and switched a new tab. See, it has identified that you are not allowed to switch to a different tab. Let's try it 3 times and see if it works. Okay, I would suggest don't do these things in the actual assessment. See, you have exhausted the tab switch limit and now the assessment is automatically getting submitted. Okay, so we can't do this. Okay, now let's move to, so this is overall assessment, how assessment looks like, how you have to attempt it. And one more thing, guys, I want to highlight. So there will be 2 options in the assessment. One, the assessment can be in safe browser, so that if the assessment is in safe browser, we will give you that link. You have to download that, install that, and then the assessment will be created or will be happening in that. And so limit is 3. If you do it 3 times, right, the tab switching and this and that, it will be auto submitted. So guys, first option is safe browser, and second is this is normal assessment. It is not in safe browser. Okay, now let's move to the, so I'll show it to you again. So the URL is academy.algotutor.io. we will give you access to this, and after you have the access, right, you can log into this and so it is getting loaded. Yeah, so this is your dashboard. Okay, your main LMS dashboard. Now this is how it will look like. Your in how many courses you have enrolled, your attendance, what is your rank going on, how many points you have earned. Right side there is leaderboard. Okay, you can view the leaderboard, what is your rank going on right now, and who are the top people. Okay, how many problems you have solved, what is how many of those are easy, medium or hard, how many MCQs you have solved, right? What is your like weekly performance graph. Okay, then we will create a doubt or discussion group. You can join that from here, you will get that link. There will be a problem of the day. And guys, one more thing, the assessment which I have shown you guys right now, right? That assessment will pop up here as well below problem of the day. Okay, so you can go to the assessment directly from this location as well. Okay, so this will be your overall dashboard. Now left side we'll see problem solving. Okay, so this will show you the history. Okay, what is your activity or history. So how many problems you have solved, what is the last problem you have solved, right? Then your attendance report. Okay, how is your attendance going on in the class, if you have attended any class through this LMS. So whether you have attended like what is the percentage and everything. Okay, what is the number of hours you have attended. Now next thing which comes is MCQs. Here also on LMS there is a list of MCQs, and based on the filters you can see like aptitude, networks, DBMS and everything is there, and you can go on that. Okay, you can select a particular one, like let's say DBMS I want to see. Okay, so in DBMS there are multiple. Okay, you can similar fashion you can launch this and take the MCQ test. Same fashion there is coding practice as well. Let's say and here also there are multiple things, right? Any topic wise, if you want to pick any company wise, if there are questions present on company wise, there are we have decided few tracks, right? So you can solve according to that as well. Let's go to let's say Mang preparation if I am doing. Okay, so there are problems here. Pascal's triangle, let's say if I want to solve, I'll click on solve. Okay, it will open that same compiler for me, and I can submit, I can like write my code and submit there. Yeah, so it has solved, it has opened that. So in normal problem solving you will not see that full screen and everything. You can normally practice here. So same problem description, right side you can submit your code, and similar fashion you can run and submit that problem. Okay, so next thing is project. We have listed down multiple projects here. Okay, you can find out details of any project, and you can have a look at that and submit it or design that your project accordingly. Next very important thing guys, I want to like give a special like focus on this particular area, company preparation. Okay, so we have specially designed this thing. Okay, if you want to prepare for a particular company, let's say Microsoft or Google or Adobe, Atlassian, right? So you can you will have a path in this particular tab, company preparation tab. Okay, at the top you have the filters, right? Product based, service based company, fintechs, startups, right? So let's go into one of the company, let's say Microsoft preparation I want to do. So you will get sets of coding challenges for Microsoft. So we have picked out these problems from the most frequently asked questions in Microsoft. So you can simply go click on preview, and it will show you the problems. And here also you will have the same thing, that you can click on solve and go in that particular problem and solve it. Okay, next thing you can there are multiple sets, right? And we will keep on adding these sets. and you can come at this particular place and do a company wise preparation. So similarly there are multiple companies and you can use this particular area. This will be a super important area which can be helpful in your placements. Now next thing is notes. So we have prepared notes for multiple computer science subjects like operating system or DBMS or any DSA topic, and SQL or whatever, like important questions on DSA, those kind of things. So you can download the notes from directly from here and use those for your last minute preparation. Next thing is resume. So we have many resume templates here. You can use these templates and build your own resume from here. Okay. In jobs tab we will be posting jobs, whatever jobs we are getting, and we have seen that okay, these jobs are available in the market. We will post those jobs here and you can have a look at those and apply. Okay. And from your login, right, you can see like how many jobs you have applied and how many jobs are right now present. So we will be continuously posting jobs here. Next thing is, if you have any problem, right, you can create a ticket here. Okay. You can select a category and subject you can give, and then the description, and if any image you have, you can attach that image and you can raise the ticket. Okay. So that's how it is. Any question, guys? You can ask me in the chat. Any question, guys? I am here to take your questions. And the we will be like whoever have the access, right, we will give you guys access and the link to assessment and the LMS, everybody, we will give all those details very soon. Okay. No, AlgoTutor and IMNeo are not same. So anything else? Yeah, we will talk with your college management that when we can provide the access to the students. Okay, according to that we will give the access to everybody. ID password you will get soon, guys, don't worry. No, actually you guys don't have to create the account. We will get your details from your college, your email and other details, email name and roll number, and we will be giving you access, and we will give you a heads up that okay, your account is created and you can access that now. Guys, IMNeo and AlgoTutor is not same. Maybe there was some miscommunication from college side in the message, but this is about AlgoTutor platform. Okay. Okay, if you guys don't have any questions, I'll end this stream. Thank you everybody for attending. And guys, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you so much everybody for joining. Like, share and subscribe guys.